This is Allison here. Allison is testing out our wallet. We have chose to do a survivalist wallet to help out anyone that is lost in nature or just loves going out in nature. Here you see on the left side we have this right here is for the fishing pole that holds and stores our fishing pole. If anybody ever wants to go fishing, we have that accessible in our wallet. Here is a map of our area. You will use this to go along with your compass. If you ever get lost, you can use those to find your way out. These two items are our flint and steel. These will help you create a fire to cook and stay warm. Over in this corner, we have our knife pocket. That's where you can store your knife. And then just like any other wallet, you have your pockets right here that can store cards, IDs if you have any, and then our back area that can hold your cash. Here Allison is pulling out the fishing pole and will give us a demonstration on how it works. This fishing pole will help you catch as many fish as you want and use it as food. The fishing pole is designed to fold up in your wallet and have the string attached. It folds up into a small little piece and just goes right inside the little pocket on the side of the wallet, so it's nice and convenient.